Hey, it's AP, and today I'm replacing the molding on my car. Check it out. A couple weeks back, a jackalope sideswiped me and took off the molding, as well as damaged the side of my car and took off my side mirror. I replaced my side mirror, and there will be a video about that, which I'll leave a link to when it's ready. But one last thing that I need to do to repair my fender bender is to put on a new piece of molding strip that came off in the accident. The auto body shop wanted almost $800 to replace this piece. I picked up the part for like $100 on a website, and it's literally going to take me 5 minutes to replace it. All you need is the part, some alcohol, a paper towel, and a rubber mallet. First thing we're going to do, because there's an adhesive strip on here, we need to really clean where it's going to stick. So I'm going to use some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, to get a nice clean surface to adhere this to. And then these little clips right here, these little bolt screw things, are going to go right into the holes where the old one went. All right, let's get a close up here and do this. So first, I'm going to take a rag, put some rubbing alcohol on it, and we're just going to wipe off. And actually the original panel glue is still on here, so I'm gonna have to take this off first. You can use some goof off here. And if you don't get it completely off, that's all right. Just trying not to scratch the paint. All right, that's pretty much off there. And now I'm gonna put some more rubbing alcohol there. Try to get all the grease and the dirt off. Okay. All right, when that's dry, we simply take our piece, and the pieces line up perfectly in here. As you can see, they actually kind of can slide on too, but when you have the glue on, or the tape on here, it's going to make it almost impossible. But what you can do is pop it on while these are on here, and it's just another way to get it nice and tight. So I'm going to remove the sticker. We're just going to carefully put it in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to tap it in. And there we have it. This literally took 30 seconds. The shop wanted $800 to change this piece of molding out and repair it. That's ridiculous. Save yourself some money, save yourself some time, and fix it yourself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who you think will benefit from it. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, and I do appreciate it. If you liked this Fix It video, well, check out my Make It videos over at Made by AP. I do everything from furniture making to prop building and models and all kinds of fun stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.